The 10th, we have the question that is think and answer. If you double an x value in a direct variation, will the corresponding y value double? Explain. Yes, बेटा देखिए, यदि डायरेक्ट रिलेशन है, if there is a direct relation, then if we double the value, x is equal to ky. If we double the value of x, then what will be the value of y? Of course, it's be 2ky, because multiplying the number on both side is equal. बेटा दोनों तरफ हमें इक्वल नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है, तो यस, वैसे ये सोचना है बस, ओनली थिंक एंड आंसर। ठीक है बेटा, इफ वी डबल द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स देन वी डबल द वैल्यू ऑफ वाई आल्सो, इफ वी डबल द वैल्यू ऑफ वाई देन वी शुड डबल द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स आल्सो। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव the height to which a balloon with hydrogen gas rises in the air varies directly as time given below as some data observation about the time। देखिए बेटा, we have some observation as you show in this table। Okay, we find the answer for the left being, that is just make the table। We have here is the time in minutes, time in minutes, and height of the balloon, height 1 2 3 4 5, there are 5 observation, 1 2 3 4 and 5, 3 filling the blanks dash, 4 48 dash filling the blanks 84, 25 filling the blanks and filling the blanks 1860। देखिए बेटा, जो फर्स्टली टेक दीज टू टर्म्स, 4 1 जा 4, इनमें इस टेबल में बेटा देखिए सेकंड कॉलम में देर आर बोथ नंबर्स 4/20 48, 4/48, you got 4 1 जा 4, 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, that is 1/12। compare these two terms, 3 filling the blanks filled with the x is equal to 1/12। now multiply these terms, cross multiply beta, this number going to that side and that number going to that side, you got x is equal to 12 multiply 3, that is x is equal to 36। x की वैल्यू क्या आई बेटा 36। in same manner we took these two terms, we have 4/48 is 1/12 is equal to, on the filling the blanks put x here divided by 84। now multiply this term that side, this implies x is equal to 84/12, 12 1 ja 12, 12 7 ja 84, that is x, बेटा देखिए, this going to that side, this going to that side, it will come 84 is equal to 12x, और आप इसको लिख सकते हैं 12x is equal to 84। नाउ x इज इक्वल टू, बेटा ये मल्टीप्लाई वाली टर्म यहाँ आएगी डिवाइड में, तो हमने इस टर्म को यहाँ नहीं ले गए, इस टर्म को यहाँ लिया है बेटा। ठीक है, ओके, सेम मैनर you got x is equal to 84/12, you got the result। in this there is x, compare this number with that number, compare this number with that number, that is 4/48, that is 1/12, we solve it, and is equal to 25 by x, again multiply this number there and this number there, this implies x is equal to 25 multiply 12 is equal to 12 5 is 60, 12 2 is 24 plus 6 30. It's be 300 and it's be 7. In same pattern, compare this number and that number. You got the same result. Okay. Now, the 10th question is we have if d varies directly as t. D varies directly as t. 10th question means d is equal to kt. If d is equal to 4, when t is equal to 9 means 9k हो जाएगा बेटा. t की जगह 9 पुट अप कीजिए, दैट इज 9k. फाइंड d when t is equal to 21. अब नहीं बेटा, एक्चुअली जनरली हम ऐसे ही लिखते हैं. दिस इंप्लाइज k is equal to 4 by 9. k is equal to 4 by 9. Put here. This implies d is equal to 4 by 9 t. Now we have t is equal to 21. t की जगह स्थान पर आप 21 पुट अप कीजिए. You got d. d find d. 4 by 9 into 21. That is 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, and d is equal to 7 4s are 28 by 3. d is equal to 28 by 3. Now next question we have the 11th one. The mass of a uniform copper bar varies directly as its length. बेटा किसकी बात की गई है? मास एंड लेंथ की. मास लेंथ ऐसे टेबल बना लीजिए बेटा. मास एंड लेंथ ओके डायरेक्टली वेरीज कर रहे हैं. We have given if a bar is 40 सेंटीमीटर. सेंटीमीटर किसकी यूनिट होती है बेटा? लेंथ की. 40 सेंटीमीटर हैज ए मास ऑफ अप्रोक्सीमेट 420 ग्राम. मास इज 420 ग्राम. फाइंड द मास ऑफ द बार ऑफ 136 सेंटीमीटर. बेटा यदि बार की लेंथ 136 सेंटीमीटर है तो मास निकालना है. डैश. तो अगेन इसको x मान लीजिए बेटा. सेम पैटर्न, दैट इज 420 बाय 40 इज इक्वल टू x बाय 136. 0 to 0 cancel out. 4 1 जा 2 2 जा 4, 2 2 जा 4, 2 1 जा 2. This going to that side. This implies x is equal to 21 multiply 136 by 2. ये 2 था बेटा. 2 1 जा 2, 2 6 जा 12, 1 2 8 जा 16. You got this implies x is equal to length is 21 multiply 68. After multiplying this, you get this answer. In same pattern, if we did the last 12th question, 12th one, what you got? A fish with a mass 3 kilogram causes a fishing pole to be bend 9 centimeter. Same beta, mass and length. Making the table in this manner. You have mass 3 kg, length 9 centimeter. If the amount of bending wire directly as mass, how much will be the pole bend for a 2 kg fish? 2 kg fish के लिए बेटा कितना लेंथ बेंड करना होगा? लेट इट्स बी x. सो 3 by 9 is equal to 2 by x. 3 1 जा 3, 3 3 जा 9. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. दिस implies x is equal to 2 multiply 3, x is equal to 6. तो आपको 6 सेंटीमीटर बेंड करना होगा बेटा. 6 सेंटीमीटर बेंड. In same pattern, if we did the next question, the 13th one. At a party, 8 bottles of soft drink are served for every batch of 5 children. क्या क्या सर्व, क्या क्या चीज़ है बेटा? bottles and children. तो put this in that manner. form a table. We have 8 bottles in 5 children. How many bottles would be served for 40 children? Children are 40, bottles we don't know. So beta compare this with 8 by 5 is equal to x by 40. That is multiply this. You got x is equal to 8 multiply 40 by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 8 ja 40. X is equal to 64. We need 64 bottles. Okay. In the same pattern you did the last two question. Okay. आज के लिए इनफ.